Hello and welcome. I'm Ryan Chan, CEO and founder of UpKeep. Today, we're going to discuss the pivotal role of preventive maintenance in the healthcare industry. We'll explore how hospitals, nursing homes, and private practices fine-tune their maintenance processes to ensure the smooth running of their operations. We'll also talk about the different preventive maintenance types used and their benefits, including their impact on patient well-being. Lastly, we'll provide some tips for those just venturing into preventive maintenance. Let's get started. Firstly, let's understand the different types of preventive maintenance used in healthcare. Predetermined maintenance, like routine replacements or inspections based on time or usage intervals, is the most basic form. It's straightforward and often based on manufacturer recommendations, such as replacing certain parts every month or changing filters regularly. But there's also condition monitoring, which helps to identify if tasks are being carried out too frequently or not enough. This method involves regular inspections or sensors that feed data to a centralized system, helping maintenance teams plan more efficiently. Additionally, there's predictive maintenance, which builds on condition monitoring by using specialized software to predict when components are likely to wear out. This approach is particularly useful for critical medical equipment, ensuring that replacements are made precisely when needed, though it can be costly to implement. Now let's discuss why preventive maintenance is so beneficial in healthcare. First and foremost, it ensures the reliability of medical equipment, which is crucial for patient care. Regularly replacing components and conducting inspections helps prevent equipment failures, which can be catastrophic in a healthcare setting. Efficient operations are another considerable benefit. Preventive maintenance reduces the downtime and labor costs associated with diagnosing and repairing broken equipment. It also significantly lowers the liability risks associated with equipment failure, which can lead to legal issues and financial losses. Most importantly, preventive maintenance directly impacts patient well-being. Ensuring that medical equipment functions reliably is paramount to patient safety and trust. Healthcare is a heavily regulated industry, and maintenance is no exception. Facilities must often adhere to the original manufacturer's guidelines as per the Centers for Medicare and Medicaid Services. However, these guidelines can be inefficient, prompting facilities to develop alternate equipment maintenance programs. These programs allow for maintenance practices that are more suited to the specific needs of the facility but require careful documentation and justification, particularly in terms of patient safety. Creating an alternate equipment maintenance program involves several steps. First, assemble a team of key personnel, including maintenance leaders and technicians. Next, gather data on maintenance and repairs, which will help justify the new program. Use this data to plan and implement data-driven maintenance tasks, schedule these tasks, and execute them. Lastly, it's crucial to regularly revisit and adjust the program based on new data and feedback. For those just starting with preventive maintenance, a mobile CMMS can be an invaluable tool. It helps organize and analyze maintenance data, making it easier to implement and optimize preventive maintenance programs. By focusing on preventive maintenance, healthcare facilities can improve their operations, reduce risks, and most importantly, ensure the safety and well-being of their patients. And that wraps up our discussion on preventive maintenance in healthcare. We've explored the different types, their benefits, and how to implement an effective maintenance program. Remember, preventive maintenance isn't just about keeping machines running. It's about keeping people safe. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe to our channel. For more information and resources, visit our website at upkeep.com.